All right, let's talk about how you're going to earn your grades for the note taking in the course. If under the pre-videos and lecture tab, there are guided notes, then you will only have to turn in the guided notes that you're being asked with the chapter, that as it pertains to whatever chapter the guided notes are being included. Some chapters do not have guided notes, and in order to gain the points or do what's necessary for the chapter notes, what I'm going to ask you to do is find a video from the video resources. And the helpful resources, we have chapter video resources as a link. So for example, if chapter 15 did not have the or let's say poverty and economic equality did not have a note guide, I want you to find the video of the subject that maybe you're struggling with most likely, or you need to review a little bit more. So for example, if you struggled with understanding what the Lorenz curve or the Gini coefficient was, then you would watch that video. And while you watch that video, I'm just going to ask that you complete one video note-taking worksheet. Of course, you'll have your name. You'll want to download this so you can type in your answers, background knowledge, main points, and then important graphic aids if there are any. Usually in economics, there's some important graphs in each chapter or important graphic aids that could help you understand, for example, maybe the shape of the Gini coefficient or something like that. You could always copy and paste some of these graphics into here, but just that you would have to review that you're showing me that you're reviewing a subject or a part of the chapter that you're struggling with. So again, if there's no guided notes provided, you are to download the video note-taking worksheet and watch a video on a portion of the chapter that you're struggling with or need more after reading the chapter, need to review it a little bit more, or concept that you don't quite understand.